ॐ भूर्भुवस्सः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्सः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
Good morning everyone, I am of class 4 Carnations from RN Public School, Bilaspur. Today our class got a golden opportunity to conduct a digital assembly on World Post Day. Happy World Post Day!
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम अवनी कुंबर है। मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरे विद्यालय का नाम RN पब्लिक स्कूल है। मैं विश्व डाक दिवस के बारे में कुछ बताने जा रही हूँ। विश्व डाक दिवस का उद्देश्य जागरूकता पैदा करना है। डाक क्षेत्र की भूमिका लोगों के व्यवसाय और जीवन में बहुत है। इसके योगदान से देशों का सामाजिक और आर्थिक विकास भी होता है। धन्यवाद।
All of you, my name is Sekamdip Singh. Today my topic is World Post Day. Wish you a very happy World Post Day. On this occasion of World Post Day, take a break from technology and write a letter and share your feelings with your loved ones. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening, ma'am. My topic name is World Post Day. World Post Day happens this year on October 9th, commemorating the days for the establishment of Universal Bus Union (UPU) in 1874 in Bern, Switzerland.
Good morning everyone, my name is Pasha of class 4 Carnations. Today I am speaking on World Post Day. Reach everyone everywhere and feel their presence with the help of a post. Wish you all very happy World Post Day. Thank you.
Everyone, my name is Anushma of class 4C. Today I am here to presenting speech on World Post Day. Every year, more than 150 countries celebrate World Post Day in a variety of ways. In 10 countries, World Post Day is observed as a working holiday. Thank you.